They come back every freaking day. You can't see it very well, but check it out, Mary. So they go around and around. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to land into that one tree that's right there. Tomorrow I'm going to actually get the EOS. I didn't have the EOS movie record on this camera on my laptop because I had to reformat my drive. See more joining the plot. See that? Oh, hell no, Barry. These birds are freaking crazy. Okay, see, look. Check it out. So what they're doing is they're just hovering around. See someone over that way. I'm glad I brought the backup. Oh, this is fucking crazy, these freaking birds. So they do this every day apparently. Because I saw them yesterday. Tell me how fucking crazy is that? And they're gonna go around and around and around and around and around. Watch. So they are actually talking to each other because I hear them making noise. Whoa, that is some crazy shit. Holy hell. Alright, let me take some more pictures. Fucking motherfuckers. So they're gonna go on. And see, so they're circling that tree. They're going around and around over that tree. See, they're trying to get to that tree. So see? Here's some more, see some more. So more are joining them. Because they're all over the place. And here comes the hawk, The same drama's unfolding again because there's the hawk again. There's another one over there. Here's some more, look. Here's some more. So they keep growing until they all, I guess, join them and they're in the land. Let's see, they're swarming, they're trying to get together. Ay, caramba. I think I almost caused a freaking accident. What the hell? I'm just filming the freaking birds, Mary. People are fucking tripping. They're swarming. I need a fucking umbrella for this bitch. Ah! They're freaking turds landing all over the place. Hell no. These bitches are fucking turding on me. Oh no. Fucking bitches, get away from me. Oh, that's fucking crazy. That is freaking amazing. Alright, see, they don't know what to fucking do. There's turds fucking landing everywhere. These birds are just turding. I've been hit like 3 times by fucking turds. Jeez Louisa. Where's the hawk? So tomorrow I'm gonna get high resolution HD. Alright, see, so they're hovering. They're just about to freaking land into that tree. They just gotta get the right. See, some more joining them, more joining them. Ah! Don't fucking poop on me, bitches! They will poop on me. So they're just about to get settled. Here they go, here they go, here they go. Some you can see are already landing. And they just do this for about 10 minutes, round and around. But they're getting ready. They're getting ready to land. You watch, 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 watch. Here they go, here they go, here they go, here they go, here they go. Here they go. Watch them land, bitches. They're about to land. Ah! Oh! Fucking bird turds. Ah! They're getting ready to land. Getting ready to land. Look at that. It's like a swarm of bees. That is so ridiculous. That is so ridiculous. There's the hawk, there's the hawk, there's the hawk, there's the hawk, look, look! Whoa! Whoa! The hawk tried to get him! The hawk tried to eat him! Where's the hawk? Oh, where's the hawk? They fucking all just ran! Tomorrow, don't turn on me! Land already! So they're trying to land. But then the hawk comes, they need to just get landed already. Ah! There's the hawk, there's the hawk, there's the hawk. I see the motherfucking hawk. The hawk, land already, bitches! So they do this every single day. I think they're trying to commute. They're going somewhere. And so they just happen to use this tree as like a way station. I think they've probably been here in this tree maybe several days because the layer of poop wasn't that much on the ground beneath the tree. We go round and around and around and around. Let's see how the swarm, it gets darker, and then if they, I just see their profile, and it gets lighter. It's crazy. It's like a freaking cartoon. So they're getting ready to land. They're getting ready to land. Ah! Don't turn on me, bitches. They're getting ready to land, getting ready to land, getting ready to land. I'm glad the sun's going down because now I'm getting a better shot. So where's the hawk? When the hawk attacks him, it's freaking crazy. Ow, my hand. Going around and around and around and around. They're eventually going to land into that tree. They're circling, circling, circling. There's the hawk, oh! See, the hawk is trying to get him. Where's the hawk? That fucking hawk scared him. Come back, bitches. The hawk is just fucking with him. The hawk is hungry. Whoa, look at that. Look at how close they are. They're really close because the hawk is coming. They're scared than a motherfucker. Look at that. They're gonna land. They're gonna make an emergency landing. Oh hell no, they are. They're totally gonna make an emergency landing. Vamonos. Vamonos. Look at that. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Oh hell no. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. They're all gonna land. They're all gonna land. There's the hawk. The hawk. The hawk is in the tree. The hawk is in the tree now. They're gonna land. They're gonna land. There's the hawk. There's the hawk. The hawk is tied in the fucking tree. Oh hell no. That hawk gets fed every time. The hawk is in the fucking tree. Look, 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 look. They're all gonna go. Go, 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 go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Land, land, landed. Whoa, look at, check it out, check it out, check it out. They're all gonna land, 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 land. Emergency landing, emergency landing. Vamonos. Vamonos, yeah. Cayer. They're scared today. Yesterday they landed all in one. Vamonos, vamonos, vamonos. Check it out. Just like that, just like that, just like that. They're gonna go, woo, landing. Look, 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 look. They're like, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home, I'm home. Landing, 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 landing. Landing, landing. See, the ones that the hawk's trying to get him. The hawk is inside. He's right there. Right there. The hawk is in there. See, they're all flying out. They're like, what the hell? Look, oh hell no. The hawk is causing havoc in the freaking tree. I can just imagine what the fuck's going on in the tree. That hawk is jumping from freaking, oh hell no. They can fly right in. Like, they're all gonna land. They're all gonna land. They're just gonna say, fuck that hawk. We're gonna land and we're gonna take over this bitch. This is our tree. Vamonos. And they're landing, 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 landing. Just like that, they're all freaking gone. So we're gonna go and check it out.